Hi everyone, today I'm going to be putting on a RainX Silicone Advantage windshield blade on our XT5 Cadillac. I will unbox and show you exactly how to put this on. It's very simple, although it looks a little bit intimidating with the new technology. So pretty simple, no real tools needed. Open up the box. Take out the windshield wiper. You can see on the back of the box that you could actually fit this blade on just about any vehicle that's out there. You will see that there is a orange sleeve over the blade. You can just leave that on during the installation. The biggest difference on this blade are these little tabs on each side. That is actually the secret to getting this blade on. You need to squeeze those in, and as you squeeze them in, if you pull back, that pops right open. Now you're ready just to slide that on the arm of your vehicle. Now here is the vehicle we're replacing the windshield wiper blade on. You can see that I've already taken off the other one, which just slid right off. It was the original manufacturer blade. But to show you how easy this is, I'm actually going to do this with one hand. So you take the inside and you can slip it on inside that hole. Once you have it in there, you just slip it back, take that, snap it on. Make sure that you take that yellow sleeve off that was on there a little bit ago, and there you go. You now have a windshield wiper. Okay, for some of you that may need help, a little bit more help in getting the blade off, the blade actually slides on and locks itself in. So you have to move this blade up, and there's a little tab. Let me see if I can get my hand out of the way there. There's a little tab right there that you pull back on, this one right here. Pull back on that, and then the blade will slide out and off of the mechanism. And then you just take it off. And there it is. And there's your arm. So here we go. We're going to take the mechanism. Remember, we squeeze those two prongs in and push back on this in order to open that up. Now, you put that straight inside the hole. Wait until you hear it click, and there you go. And again, remember, take off the sleeve, and you are done. For a little additional added protection, I'm going to go ahead and clean the windshield with RainX's 2-in-1 glass cleaner. This really has helped us in the past. It just the rain almost just beads up and flies off the windshield, almost to the point you don't even need windshield wipers, but it's a great additional protection. So I'm going to go ahead and clean the rest of the windshield off with the RainX 2-in-1 cleaner. So now that we have the RainX 2-in-1 glass cleaner on, the windshield wipers switched out, I just wanted to show what a big difference the RainX 2-in-1 glass cleaner makes, and watch how it beads up and just kind of comes off the windshield without any effort. Nice and clean, just like it was before I sprayed the windshield. So I hope this helps everyone. I do recommend the RainX products. They do not sponsor this video, but we've been using it for a long time, and I think it's well worth the extra dollars to stay safe.